watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
Talk about temps. It's been about a swing of 30 degrees since we started this weekend, with temperatures up in the mid-50s on early Saturday morning. Now here we are, low 20s, upper teens, wind chills in the single digits in a couple of spots. Winter is going to be around for a while, but it is January. It's supposed to be like this. The forecast for tonight, right along the 131 corridor and the inland areas. This includes Grand Rapids, Battle Creek, Kalamazoo, and everybody away from Lake Michigan. We'll see temperatures fall off to about 18 by daybreak. We'll be warmer along the lakefront because of that southwest breeze. The exceptions to that will be St. Joseph, Benton Harbor, Michigan City, up towards South Haven, just because that air won't have enough time to travel across Lake Michigan. On Storm Track Live tonight, I want to take you into Greenville, western Montcalm County. We're seeing some light snow here, and when we step back, you can see that snow is pretty light across West Michigan. One of the weather stations, the ground observation sites, not reporting anything except for flurries in a couple of spots. And so generally what we're seeing right now is this kind of bluish donut around Grand Rapids, or half donut, with very light snow. And the snow doesn't necessarily cut off when you get north of Big Rapids. It's just that snow is tough for radar to pick up on because it's so fine and there's not a lot of mass or density to it. And so the radar beam gets, it has a tough time picking up on everything. That's the bottom line. The forecast now for tonight, Grand Rapids, light snow. And by light, I mean light. Not as windy. Minor accumulations, 18 the overnight low. A few degrees cooler here in Battle Creek, so we won't have the influence of the warming waters of Lake Michigan as that air comes out of the southwest. It'll be a land-based air mass instead of air that cruises across Lake Michigan and warms up, because you got to keep, even though it's cold, Lake Michigan, relative to the air temperature, is still warm this time of year. Mostly cloudy here. Southwest winds between 5 and 10. And point proven, here we are, already down 19 here in Kalamazoo, 20 in Battle Creek, but to the north we're a little bit warmer, 24 in Grand Rapids. Fremont now at 28. Sturgis here at 16. Winds out of the southwest generally. Wind chills, coolest down to the south. That makes sense, doesn't it? Single digits in Kalamazoo with a wind chill of 8. Pretty uneventful here over the next 24 hours, but Monday night into Tuesday, another system pushes in. We're going to track that carefully. Through the day Monday, a few snow showers north of Grand Rapids, and then by Tuesday morning, light snow overtaking West Michigan. We're not talking about a big snowstorm, but we could wind up with a couple of inches of snow, especially for areas west of US 131. My snow forecast calls for 0 to 2 inches. However, a few spots west of 131 and north of Grand Rapids could be closer to that 3-inch range. So let's break this down. For Monday here, I'm just forecasting flurries, a 30% chance of very light snow, high right around freezing. We cool off to 26 here on Tuesday with some light snow west of 131 and especially north of I-94, 1 to 3 inches, less than that, an inch or less east of US 131. The rest of the 8-day forecast, it'll be chilly. High temps only 32 on Monday and then falling from there. Thursday, Friday, our next snow event with the possibility for measurable snowfall. And then Saturday, Sunday, we could be unraveling a lake effect snow event as cool air pours out of the north.
It's good weather for the outdoor rink. You're not a skater, are you?
I'm not.
A basketball player, not a skater.
It's the bigger they are, the harder they fall theory. I decided to stay away from
we could
skating.
use a guy your size on defense, I'll tell you. Good for the ice rink outdoors, but you skaters